What if you could give an AI a video and have it tell you exactly what's inside, not just images but entire video files? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the power of Google's Gemini API to analyze video content and perform classification. We'll take a video of an animal and in just a few lines of Python, get the AI to identify it with both its common English name and scientific Latin name. This is a great example of modern multimodal AI, and the best part is you can run everything for free using Google Colab. We'll start by setting up our environment in Google Colab. First, we install the Google AI Python SDK using a simple pip command. Then we configure our API key securely using Colab secrets, which ensures our credentials are not exposed. Once that's done, we move to the core implementation. We download a sample video, an American black bear, from Wikimedia Commons using Doogie and upload it using the Gemini File API. This allows the model to process large files efficiently. Since video processing takes time, we implement a loop that keeps checking until the file is ready. To verify our video, we extract and display the first frame using OpenCV and Matplotlib. Once confirmed, we move to prompting the model. We define a system instruction telling Gemini to act like a zoologist and always provide both English and Latin names. Then we send a multimodal request combining text instructions and the uploaded video. When we run the model, it successfully identifies the animal as American black bear, Ursus americanus, perfectly following our instructions. Finally, we clean up by deleting the uploaded file from the server. In just a few minutes, we've built a powerful video classification system using Gemini. This opens up huge possibilities, from wildlife monitoring to content moderation and beyond. If you found this useful, try it yourself using the full code available on GitHub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and connect with me on LinkedIn and GitHub. Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.